Respect. A good name is to be chosen rather than great riches, and favour is better than silver or gold. Respect is great, respect is free. I respect you and you respect me. We show respect to all our teachers as well as the planet's creatures. We listen quietly to hear another being a nice sister or brother. Respect is what we share with friends. Respect is a journey that never ends. You respect me because I respect you. Respectfully listen to someone else's view. We respect how we each feel. At this school we keep it real. Respect. 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 A good name is to be chosen rather than great riches, and favour is better than silver or gold. Proverbs 22 verse 1. Respect. Hello, my name is Alan Kurly McGeechee, CEO of Memorime, Mass Literacy Engagement Specialists based in Birmingham. Some of our work has been recognised by Her Majesty the Queen, performed at the Royal Albert Hall, and also used to brief the Cabinet Office. So some of the work that we've produced has been used to brief the Cabinet Office. It's all around literacy engagement, using performance poetry as a means to help young people in particular to develop literacy skills. And 2026, we're on the cusp of now, is the year of reading, the National Year for Reading. So one of the things that we're doing at Memorime now is a mega Christmas and New Year sale on not only a visit, but you also get a year's worth of access to our latest resources around Key Stage 2 in particular, with values, virtues and character literacy. So mass engagement, whole school, all the kids starting off with a whole school assembly, including Key Stage 1. It's all about having fun, beatboxing, call and response, the sort of thing that you may have seen in my previous post, which showcased some of the work that I've done recently with the National Literacy Trust as part of their Young Poet Laureate project. My assembly was around respect. Who to respect, why to respect, and the benefits of respect. When to respect, what things to respect, like nature, animals, teachers, friendship, and those sort of things. So this booklet is what I've had printed off. You can get this as a free PDF and you can use straight away. It's got the poems in there already. So you got the teacher's version, then you got the kids' version that you simply just photocopy and then cut out the couplets. So the teacher's version there is to help you to follow whilst the pupils are performing the poem in case they need a little bit of guidance. There's also some hints and tips on how to perform just there, so nice and easy. So you just cut them out, give out the couplets to your 6 good readers, and then you might want to hand these out as well. So once you photocopied these, this spells respect. And of course, my colleague, dreadlock alien, Richard Grant, former Birmingham Poet Laureate, met the Queen for services rendered to poetry, great mentor to me. So that was back in 2013 when he met the Queen. So he came up with this notion, a great acrostic for the word respect. Respect every single person, especially class teachers. These resources are available from our website, memorime.org.uk. You can download from there. But this particular offer that we've got going on for 50 schools is launching ASAP. I'm sending out emails now to schools. I'm making people aware online. I'm emailing the hub manager for the National Literacy Trust in Birmingham, making them aware so that this is going to get about. So these 50 places are going to be going real quick. So it's up to £400, I'd say, that you'd be saving. So you get the access to the whole of the Engage Page Stage digital age resources plus CPDs for all your staff at your school, for them to access for a year for free. And you also get a launch day as well. So if you are interested, if you are a teacher, if you know a teacher who may be interested, then please get them to email me, or please email me at schoolbooking@memorime.org.uk. Thank you so much for listening. Look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye for now. Poetry.